67 on the second day of June. In case nobody's counting, son, that's many a moan. You'll find him down on Main Street, that's where he likes to walk. It's worth the price of admission just to hear that old man talk. He's the last living cowboy in this town. He ain't rode off into the sunset yet, no, he's still kicking round. You'll find him halfway liquored up on Cattle County Shine, or all the way drunk half the time. He's got 40 head of cattle down on Turkey Creek. There's always some old stray dog round the cabin at his feet. His family left for California back in '29 when it was 2 bits for the whiskey and tobacco was a dime. He's the last